Scondesign is a top Mysore land surveyor. Scondesign is a top land surveying company because to its accuracy and reliability. Their trained personnel use cutting-edge technology and equipment to execute every assignment efficiently. Many Mysore clients choose Scondesign for their high-quality, low-cost services. They understand local legislation and can handle any project, big or small. Due to their years of experience, their portfolio covers residential, commercial, infrastructural, and construction projects. Their attention to detail and customer satisfaction have gained them devoted customers in Mysore and beyond. Scondesign is a top Mysore land surveyor. Their knowledge, professionalism, quality make them a trusted land surveying company. For a project quotation and more information, contact them today. Scondesign provides Mysore private land surveyors. We offer accurate and dependable surveying services as one of the leading companies in the region. Our skilled personnel use cutting-edge technology and methods to execute every assignment efficiently. Scondesign knows our clients care about pricing. We offer industry-leading costs without compromising quality. We believe everyone deserves high-quality surveying services, regardless of budget. Our Mysore private land surveyors can help with boundary, topographical, and building staking surveys. We personalize our services to our clients' demands after getting to know them. Scondesign, a Mysore private land surveyor, is dedicated to giving excellent service. Scondesign is the top Mysore private land surveyor. Our quality, cost, and client satisfaction guarantee project results. There are a few actions you can take to speed up the land survey process if you're wanting to have one done in Karnataka. Contacting an established land surveyor like Scondesign is one of your initial options. To ensure everything runs properly, it's crucial to have all the required paperwork and licenses in place before the survey begins. Obtaining a land survey in Karnataka might be simple with the appropriate planning and guidance. Land surveying requires a trustworthy organization. Many Mysore land surveyors charge different rates. Before choosing, examine the team's experience and service quality. Scondesign is a top Mysore land surveyor. They have topographic, border, and construction surveyors on staff. Their experience and attention to detail make them one of Mysore's best. Land.Scondesign has affordable rates. They tailor solutions to each client's demands. Their project fees are transparent and broken down. This helps clients comprehend expenses and decide. Scondesign provides industry-standard services at competitive prices. Advanced technology and equipment assure reliable findings and timely project completion. Scondesign offers accurate residential and commercial property surveys. Finally, choosing a Mysore land surveying business can be difficult. Scondesign guarantees quality services at the